Hello YouTube, what you are grazing will be my next project. This will be the what will be my ceiling fan or another box fan for my home. Uh, if you're asking me why should I build so many fan? Simply because here in Manila we're living at the top floor, and it is really very hot, because if you look at the window, see that's the neighbor's roof, which is directly below us. And same goes with the other window. If you look at that, take a look at that, you'll notice that is the neighbor's roof as well. So a single pan like that won't suffice, so I'll be making another homemade box pan with this. Salvage this from a junk shop. Now I have finished building the controller for this. It's almost a universal box. It has a universal outlet, so you can charge anything. You can put anything here. It has a pan, so you can charge anything from whatever you want to charge. So this is my management box. So if you notice, this auxiliary pan which I salvaged from a junkyard is connected here. So I'll put a test, but first I'll let you peek at what I did inside here. Here is the circuitry. I have two LM317 connected in parallel, so I can put more, because this motor here draws a lot and it's not enough, so I can put a lot of amps. And another thing there, you will see that it's a 7805 voltage regulator IC, so it's 5 volts, so I can charge my cell phone there. As you can see, right now I am charging my cell phone while I'm doing this video. It is directly connected to my cell phone. I'm filming on my cell phone right now, and now I will connect the negative terminal on the auxiliary fan. So here is the positive, which the fan will be connected, and here this one connected here. It's kind of hard to do this in one hand, so and there it is. So after I push this button, now it's turning. Right now it's on a high speed. See, it's a solar pan. It's no way connected to any grid power. It's purely solar. Now I will turn this knob so you can see that the RPM, the spin will slow down, and it's slowing. There. As you can see now, it's almost at a stop. There. So actually I don't need to put this on this very low setting, because as I've told you earlier, it's very hot in here. So now I am going to make this spin a little faster. There. Now as if the blade is not spinning, you can't even see the blade anymore. That is because of the aliasing. The pan blade spins very fast. It is spinning as fast as the frame of the recorder. So for those of you who is on the eco-friendly energy stuff or renewable energy, this thing might help a lot. So here you can hear the wind that blows towards me. Excuse me. And I plan to put this box here right there for convenience. So if ever I wanted to make it stop or run it or do whatever, power anything, because I sleep over there, and it will be very convenient for me. Now let's enjoy the breeze of the. Next time you'll see this, it will be on my ceiling, or it will be bare. It will be another box fan, in which I want it to be mobile, so I can carry it anywhere I want. So I think I'll go with the box fan, or I had a box fan already, which I made. So I think I'll put it on the ceiling. But either way, it will be very mobile, because I already have this. So either way, it will be, I'll put this on the right there. So this is another control box which controls the light, and a speaker jack which I temporarily put on so that I can plug in my portable DVD player. Scram. So here is the circuitry again. So those of you who wanted to build one of these, kindly comment and leave a message or email me at I will gladly send the details on this, how I made this. So let us enjoy this. Very breezy. That's all.